What an amazing opportunity for our campus. You and so many of us have been given a fantastic gift, and I know what you're saying. What do I do with it first? Welcome to a series of videos about how to get comfortable and fall in love with your smartboard. This first video will talk about what you can do while you're waiting for the board itself. Many of you have said yes to this innovative technology without possibly knowing much about the board itself. In 1991, the company introduced the SmartBoard Interactive Whiteboard. Today, more than 1 million SmartBoard interactive whiteboards are installed worldwide in education, business, government, and military settings. SmartBoard interactive whiteboards are used in more than 1.5 million K-12 classrooms by more than 30 million students globally. Smart products have appeared on popular TV shows such as CSI, CBC, Fox, and CNN. Research indicates that the interactive whiteboards benefit student engagement, learner motivation, and knowledge retention. And of course, all of those will happen here at Rodriguez Elementary. The technology has been so successful in reaching students with a variety of learning styles, including those with special needs. On a side note, CSI has a great interactive website for those of you who love to solve crimes or have students that do too. Here's just one game, Spot the Difference. Can you spot the 5 differences? Alright, I'm just going to give you 3. SmartBoard magic pens sure are magic. A couple of quick tips. Instead of making short swipes on the board to erase it, circle the entire page and tap the middle. Worried about little fingers with dirt, grime, and germs? Have the students use a tennis ball. Now that we know about the SmartBoard, what can we do with this thing before it comes to your classroom? Welcome to EasyTech. It's a program found on all of our computers. Things you can play with now are the main menu, the drawing tools, the text and special effect tools, the widget bank, and a few others. In this tutorial, I'm going to touch on the main menu and the widget bank, and maybe a surprise or two. The main menu shows you everything you need to get started. Everything from starting a new lesson. Would you like to view your setup screen in a storyboard mode? Side panel use, or even a grid? It's really personal preference. Go ahead and play around and see which ones you like the best. Now back to the main menu. Other tools you'll see are drawing tools and special effects. I'd like to show you a quick section about the Multimedia Resource Bank. Here you'll notice a number of different pictures, locations that you can easily click on, sort through. You can do maps, graphs, all kinds of interesting things. Here's a picture of DNA. It's just amazing what the Multimedia Bank has to offer. Alright, now on to something else. Here you'll find activities. If you go in here, there are many different topics and subjects. I'll click on early years, and then of course lessons. Here you can find a lesson on rhyming words. Circle the word that rhymes with the word in the picture. It's as simple as circling and having the student come right up to the board and circling itself. Now back to the main menu. Let's visit the widget bank. Widgets are mini applications that are included with this software. Dice, chart maker, matching pairs, set square, number grids, periodic table, piano graphs, and so many more. I have 2 favorites I'd like to share with you. The stopwatch. You can keep it at this version here, or you can go to the digital version. Other things you can adjust are the length of the time that the stopwatch is going for, or even the sound. For instance, breaking glass when the time is over. Here are some fun tips about timers. Students can gain the ability to judge how much time is left in the class or left in an activity without even knowing how to tell time. Here's an interesting website about why timers are good in the classroom. Of course, my personal favorite is the keyboard. This widget allows you to choose the instrument, the drum beat, and then record with or without the notes. The playback feature is clear and user-friendly. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson in the SmartBoard. There are many more to come. The next one is, I have a SmartBoard. Where's the on button? Hope you enjoyed, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Check out my sources and many more to come.